Today I'm going to demonstrate how you can make a cup of cardamom and ginger tea on a Philips HD4938 induction stove. This is the induction stove. I have shown you the unpacking before and how to boil milk. Today I'll demonstrate how to make tea. So the induction stove has been plugged into the main source and I'm going to pour a cup of water into this pan. It's a flat bottom pan with a magnetic bottom and it's heavy. 1 cup of water. I place it on the induction stove and then I switch the power button on. There is a preset for milk and water. So I'm going to press that preset. It comes by default, it comes to the first mode, which is a sim mode. So this is the sim mode. If I press it once again, it will go to the boil mode. So I'll bring this water to a boil on the induction stove, and when the water has started boiling, I will add the other ingredients. Into this I have crushed a small piece of ginger and 3 cardamom. Milk is ready. This is tea. It's a tulsi, adrak, elaichi tea, matcha tea. So the water has started boiling and I add this ginger and cardamom. So when the water is boiling and you add this, then after adding it, you should bring it back to the sim. So by pressing the button again, it comes back to sim. So you want the ginger and cardamom to liberate their essence in this water. So we can watch the time here. It is 45 minutes. I want it to boil for 3 minutes. So I'll wait till it comes to 42 and then I will add tea leaves. So I've taken a ginger of this size, about an inch size. This water is boiling. The default cooking time for tea is 45 minutes. So we are counting down from 45 minutes. After adding the ginger, 1 minute has passed. We have to wait for 2 more minutes before we add tea. Getting the cup and tea strainer ready. I will be adding stevia tablet sweetener, about 3 tablets of stevia. I don't add the stevia into the boiling water, but I add it to the cup. 3 minutes have passed. It's 42 now. The whistle indicated that it is 3 minutes have passed. Now I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of tea leaves. You can rest assured that with this preset, the water is not going to boil over, nor is the milk going to boil over and pour over the induction stove. That is why this preset is having presets is very useful. You can boil things in a safe manner, without them spilling on to the induction stove. So induction stove has got 8 presets. They are manual, gravy, roti, dosa, milk, water, slow cook, stir fry, deep fry and pressure cook. Now the tea in it. Since it is taking some time to boil, I am going to increase the temperature by bringing it to a boil. So this water is boiling. I wait for another 3 minutes for the tea leaves to release that flavor in water. Since it started boiling, I will bring it to the sim again, lower the temperature, and I will add milk as required. After adding milk, I will wait for 1 more minute, shut off the power. I stir it so that the milk gets well mixed with the tea extract. 1 minute is over. I've turned off the power, switch off the mains, remove it from there. And now I'm going to pour this tea into a cup. Hopefully the stevia tablets would get dissolved by this maneuver. Time to enjoy this cup of tea. It's good. It took about 8 minutes to make a cup of tea on the induction stove without having to light the gas stove. If you like to keep seeing these videos on induction stove, microwave cooking, then subscribe to my channel A.K. Venkatachalam. Share it, like it. I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.